Are you looking for the best cordless electric kettles? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best cordless electric kettles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cuisinart Cordless Electric Kettle with Custom Controls. The Cuisinart Cordless Electric Kettle is a convenient and must-have kitchen appliance. It has a 1.7-liter capacity with 1,500 watts for fast heat up, a concealed heating element to prevent mineral buildup, and a removable/washable scale filter. The kettle features custom controls with one touch, a 30-minute keep warm option, a cool function, and 6 preset heat settings for steeping tea at the right temperature. It also has a 2-minute memory function and auto safety shutoff. The Stay Cool non-slip handle and 360-degree swivel power base provide a cordless experience. What we like: longevity, easy to use, quick heating, versatile, large water capacity. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Honeycomb Collection Rapid Boil Electric Kettle. The BLACK+DECKER Honeycomb Collection Rapid Boil Electric Kettle is an attractive addition to your kitchen with its premium textured finish and stainless steel accents. It boils water more than 2x faster than a stovetop with its rapid boil technology and has a rapid boil zone with bright red level markings for measuring out 1, 2, or 3 cups for ultra-fast boiling. It has a cord-free serving design and automatic shutoff feature for peace of mind while multitasking in the kitchen. What we like: rapid boil technology boils water more than 2x faster than a stovetop. Rapid boil zone with bright red level markings for measuring out 1, 2, or 3 cups for ultra-fast boiling. Cord-free serving design allows for easy pickup, pour, and put back on the 360-degree swivel base at any angle. Number 3. Chefman 1.8L Electric Kettle. The Chefman electric kettle is designed for quick and efficient boiling, allowing you to enjoy hot water in just 3 minutes. With its automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection, you can boil with confidence, knowing that safety is prioritized. The cordless design adds convenience, letting you serve hot beverages anywhere without being tethered to a plug. Plus, the blue LED indicator lights provide a clear visual cue during the heating process, ensuring you know when your water is ready. This kettle combines efficiency with safety and ease of use, making it a great addition to your kitchen. What we like: fast boiling time, safety features, cordless design, LED indicator lights. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Electric Tea Kettle 41037. The Hamilton Beach Kettle is designed for convenience and efficiency. Its stylish LED light ring allows you to easily see when your water is heating, ensuring you never miss a boil. With an automatic shutoff feature, you can have peace of mind knowing the kettle will turn off once the water reaches a boil, preventing any potential accidents. The boil-dry protection also safeguards against scorching if the water level is too low. Plus, this kettle boils water 20% faster than a microwave, making it perfect for quick cups of tea or coffee during busy mornings. What we like: fast boiling time, automatic shutoff feature, LED light indicator, durable stainless steel. Number 5. MegaWise 1.8L Electric Kettle. The MegaWise electric kettle combines safety and convenience for your morning routine. Its borosilicate glass construction ensures no plastic touches your water, promoting healthier drinking. With a generous 1.8-liter capacity, you can quickly boil enough water for up to 7 people in under 3 minutes, saving you precious time. The kettle features auto shut-off technology that activates 20 seconds after boiling, preventing dry burns for added safety. Its sleek design includes an LED light that signals when the water is ready, making it both functional and visually appealing. What we like: healthier materials, fast boiling time, auto shut-off safety, easy to clean.